Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI at the Edge, bringing AI intelligence directly to your devices. Imagine your smart speaker, security camera, or even your car making super smart decisions instantly, without needing to ask a giant computer far away. That's AI at the edge. As developers, we're learning to bring the brawn of AI directly to the device itself, making it quicker, more private, and always available. It's like giving each device its own express lane for intelligence, right where the action happens. Normally, when an AI system needs to make a decision, like identifying a cat in a picture, it sends that data over the internet to a powerful server farm, what we call the cloud. The cloud's huge computers do all the heavy thinking, and then send the answer back to your device. Think of the cloud as a massive central library with all the AI knowledge and computing power. Your device is like a student who needs to go to the library for every single question. Relying solely on the cloud has some downsides that developers often need to tackle. 1. Latency. Delay. Data takes time to travel. For real-time decisions, like in a self-driving car, even a tiny delay can be critical. 2. Internet dependence. No internet? No AI. Your device becomes dumb. 3. Privacy concerns. Sending all your sensitive data, like your face from a security camera, to a remote server can raise privacy questions. 4. Cost. Constantly sending and receiving data, and using those big cloud computers, can get expensive for developers running large-scale applications. This is where AI at the edge steps in. Instead of sending data to the cloud for every decision, we put a smaller, specialized version of the AI brawn directly on the device. So, your security camera can now recognize a person or a package right then and there, without ever sending the video anywhere else. It's like your student having their own personal, specialized dictionary or calculator right at their desk. Quick answers. No need to go to the main library every time. As a developer, you don't train your AI models on the tiny edge device itself. You still use powerful cloud computers to train a sophisticated AI model with vast amounts of data. Once the model is super smart, you then optimize it, make it smaller, faster, and more efficient so it can run smoothly on the limited power of an edge device. Like a smartphone chip, a small camera processor, or a microcontroller, it's like baking a giant, complex cake in a big bakery, then cutting out a perfect, smaller slice to deliver to thousands of individual homes. Bringing AI to the edge unlocks incredible advantages for your applications and users. 1. Lightning speed. Decisions are made instantly because the data doesn't travel far. Think real-time responses for games, robotics, or critical safety systems. 2. Enhanced privacy. Sensitive data stays on the device. Your face recognition camera doesn't need to send your image to a remote server. 3. Works offline. No internet? No problem. Your AI-powered device keeps functioning intelligently. 4. Lower costs. Less data sent to the cloud means lower data transfer and cloud processing bills for developers. 5. Efficiency. Can often use less power than constantly communicating with the cloud. You're already interacting with Edge AI every day, even if you don't realize it. As developers, these are exciting areas where you can build innovative solutions. Smartphones. Face ID. Real-time language translation. Advanced camera features, like portrait mode. Much of this uses AI on your device. Smart cameras. Identifying intruders or packages on the camera itself, sending only alerts. Self-driving cars. Asterisk instant obstacle detection and decision making for safety. Smart home devices. Asterisk voice assistants processing commands locally for faster response and privacy. Industrial IoT. Internet of Things. Asterisk monitoring machinery for anomalies directly on the factory floor, preventing downtime. While powerful, edge devices have limited processing power, memory, and battery. Developers constantly work on exciting challenges. 1. Model optimization. Asterisk making AI models smaller and faster without losing accuracy. A key skill for edge AI developers. 2. Hardware acceleration. Asterisk leveraging specialized chips, like NPUs, neural processing units, found in modern devices to boost AI performance. 3. Federated learning. Asterisk a cutting-edge technique where devices learn collectively from user data without sharing that raw data, improving privacy and efficiency. The future for developers in AI at the edge involves creating even smarter, more efficient, and privacy-preserving applications for every device around us. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.